Hello, welcome guys. In my tutorial, Scope Resolution Operator in C++. So before that, first we will try to understand what is the scope of the variable in C++. Then we will see the Scope Resolution Operator. In C or C++ program, we can have different blocks of code within the same program. That means, like this example, this is just one rough structure for the program. Here we are having two blocks. This is block 1 we are having multiple blocks like this. So this is block 1 and this is block 2. So like this we can have multiple blocks in the same program, and whatever the variable we have declared in one block, same variable name we can use in different blocks also. Like this example, here in this block 1, I have declared one integer variable by name x and the value is 10. The scope of this variable x equals to 10 will exist right from declaration of the variable up to the end of this block. That means within this block only I can access this value of variable x as 10. In second block, that is block 2, I have declared again variable x of type integer. Value of x is 1 here. So in this, as this is a new block and here the new declaration is there, this value of x will remain in existence up to the end of this block. That means within this block we can access value of x equals to 1. In this block, when we try to access value of x, it will always refer value of x whatever given over here. So, similarly, when we are declaring any value, whenever we are accessing any value of x over here, that means if we are writing some statement x equals to x plus 1, we want to display the value of x, whatever it is. Whenever we are trying to access value of x in this block, it always refer value of x which is declared in the same block only. So that is called as the scope, that is the declaration of the variable, that is where it is local. So this x is local for this block 1, this x is local for this block 2. So it may happen that the blocks may be contained, one block may be nested in another block like this example 2. Here again we are having two blocks. In block 1 we have declared another block, that is block 2. So in block 1 we have declared value of x as 10, x is integer. So in block 1, whenever here I am trying to access any value of x, it always refer the value of x over here, that is x, as it will be 10. Inside this block 1, we have having another block, that is block 2, and in this block 2 we have again declared value of x as 1, x is redeclared. So the scope of this second x or the redeclared x will exist right from its declaration up to the end of block 2. So inside this block 2, whenever we are trying to access value of x, it always refer value of x whatever given over here, not the value of x declared outside block 2. When we come outside this block 2, and after that, even though we are trying to access value of x, now as we are coming in block 1 again, so it will refer value of x whatever declared over here. So these are the nesting of two blocks. So scope of this x exists right from its declaration up to the end of this block 1, but as it is nested for this second block, block 2, the new declaration of x is there, so value of x for block 2 will remain as 1. Whenever we are declaring any of the variable, it will reserve some amount of memory space in the memory, and that memory address is referred for that variable. So this is the scope for the variable which is called as local to the block. So now we will see what is the use of scope resolution operator that we will see programmatically. So here we will see use of scope resolution operator. We have declared some 5. I declare here one variable int, suppose m equals to 10. M is declared outside the main function, outside all the blocks, so it is called as global declaration. Global value of m or the global declaration of m. We will declare main function, then here I again declare value or declare the same variable name as m. Now here I take value of m as 20. Second time I am declaring m. One m is global. Here m is local for the main function. So I can say this is redeclared. M is redeclared. That is local to main function. I declare here one more block. In this block, I declare one variable integer. K is my variable name. I am assigning value of m into k. The storing value of m, we can say. I want to declare here integer m one more time. So one more declaration of m variable. Third time I am using the same variable name. Now I am giving value as 30. So m declared again. And this is local to inner block. We'll print one line of code. For that I write cout. Before this I write one function clr clear screen. So here I display we are in inner block. So at the time of display it will be clear where we are working. Now I want to print value of k, which is restoration of m variable. For new line I am using here /n everywhere. So k equal to cascading output, k equals to k. I want to see what is the value of m over here. So for that I am printing value of m. Again new line /n, m equals to, we will see what is the value of m it refer in this block. So value of m. So when I use here, I'm going to refer here value of m, it always refer value of m as 30, which is local to this block. But now I want to refer value m as 10, which is global. So how to do this? This is not possible in C, but in C++ the facility is given by using the scope resolution operator. We can access the global value even though the variable name is same. It will not hide the global contains the global values because of redeclaration, and that is only possible because of scope resolution operator. So here I am using scope resolution cout. I want to access global value. So for that, in printing I am also using scope resolution operator to make it clear that it's a global value. So I must use your scope resolution m and we semicolon. I close this inner block now. Outside this block, let's see what is the value of m. So before that I write we are in outer block set. Let's see what is the value of m over here. So m equals to m. So again we are coming outside the inner block, and in this block the value of m is 20. It should give the result as 20. So here expected output is m equals to 20. Cout. I want to print global value of m here also. So again by the same technique, by using the scope resolution operator, we will print global value. So scope resolution operator is always used to print the global value of a variable even though it is redeclared. So okay. Get sh. So what we have done? We have declared m as globally. In main method we have redeclared m variable by value 20. We have declared one more block. So in inner block we have stored value of m into k. M is redeclared in inner block and the value is given as 30. This is CLR SCR, that is the function to clear screen at the time of display. We will display we are in inner block. So here we will print the value of k. So expected value k will print value as here restoration of value of m. It should be 20 over here. Value of m, it will print m equals to 30. This is expected output, and here we are using scope resolution operator using scope resolution operator to print. Take it on next line. To access global value of m, and definitely global value of m, you will get output as 10. So this block is end over here. We are coming in outer block. Here we are printing value of m again. So scope of this, in this block the value of m will be n, because scope of this m will remain in the main function completely. So as the output of this line, as here again we are printing the global value, so here we will get global value of m equals to 10. So we will save the program, we will compile, yes, and we will run this. So see, here is the result. Result is k is 20, m is 30, scope resolution, that is global value of m is 10. Outside the inner block, value of m is 20. Is in outer block, value of m is 20, and the scope resolution m, that is global value of m, is 10. So as per the expectation, we are getting the same output. So this is use of scope resolution operator to access the global value of variable if it is redeclared in a program. So we can write the syntax to access a global value. Syntax to access this global value of variable using scope resolution is scope resolution operator and variable name. So this is the syntax. So I hope you understood this point. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Thank you.